Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make circle animation in Premiere Pro. First, open Premiere Pro and create a new sequence. Then, navigate to the Essential Graphics panel and click the new layer icon, choosing Shape. Select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and hold Shift while dragging to draw a perfect circle. Position it centrally on your screen. Now, let's bring your circle to life. With the shape layer selected, go to the Effect Controls panel. Under Vector Motion, click the stopwatch icons next to Position and Scale to set your first keyframes. Move your playhead a few seconds forward, then change the position and scale values to create movement. This establishes the animation path. To make your animation smoother, right-click on your keyframes in the Effect Controls panel. Choose Temporal Interpolation and select Ease In or Ease Out for a more natural flow. You can also drag the Bezier handles in the graph editor to fine-tune the speed and acceleration of your circle. Play around until it feels just right. Finally, let's add some polish. You can apply various effects from the Effects panel, such as drop, shadow, or glow, to give your circle more depth and visual interest. Once you're happy with the animation, preview it thoroughly. Then, go to File, Export, and Media to render your animated circle video in your preferred format and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.